Planning is more important than execution. Negligence in planning will lead to complete failure. Hi and welcome to Surangavuli. Myself, Yatra. Notification for the GATE exam 2021 for mining discipline has been released. In this video, we are going to see what are the things one should know when applying for this exam. As a general intro, GATE exam is a computer-based online exam. This time, the GATE exam is conducted by IIT Bombay. The important dates for this exam are: the website for applying this exam opens on 14th September 2020. The last date for the registration for this exam is 30th September 2020. Those who could not register within the prescribed time can register from 1st October to 7th October of 2020 by paying late fees. Any changes in the category, the paper you have selected, or the city you have preferred can be changed up to 13th November of 2020. The admit card for the exam is available from 8th January of 2021. Your examination can be conducted on any of the following dates: 5th or 6th or 7th or 12th or 13th or 14th of February 2021. The result will be announced on 22nd March of 2021. The important highlights of this GATE exam 2021 are: the syllabus for all the papers, including our mining paper, has been revised. There is no age bar for this GATE exam. The GATE score that you got in this exam is valid for 3 years. The dates which has been announced earlier for this GATE exam can be changed if the situation is not favorable due to COVID-19. One of the important relaxation announced in this GATE exam is that even third year students is also eligible for writing this year GATE exam. Now let us see about the pattern of this examination. The examination is a computer based exam. The total duration for this examination is 3 hours. The exam has 2 sections. First one is general aptitude. Second one is the selected subject. For us it is mining. General aptitude will have 10 questions. The selected subject will have 55 questions. So the total questions for a paper is 65 numbers. The general aptitude section has 15 marks. While in selected subject, engineering mathematics has 13 marks and our mining subject has 72 marks. So the total marks for a paper is 100. You will have either 1 mark question or 2 marks question in 3 different types. First type is multiple choice question. Out of 4 given choices, we have to select 1 correct choice. There is negative mark for this multiple choice question. If you got a 1 mark question wrong, 1/3 of mark will be deducted. If the 2 marks question got wrong, 2/3 of the mark will be deducted as a negative mark. So be careful while giving answer for multiple choice questions. Second type is multiple select questions. Out of 4 given choices, 1 or more choice will be correct. You have to choose the correct number of choices. There is no negative mark for this type of questions, but no partial mark will be given if you did not choose the correct number of choices. The third type is numerical answer type. It's like fill in the blanks. The answer have to be entered using virtual keyboard given in the computer. Please note that the answer can be a number. The answer can be of decimal points of how many number which will be mentioned in the question paper itself. The numbers can be rounded off depending upon the question that you have been given. There is no negative mark for this type of questions and no partial mark is given for partial correct answer. Now let's see about the fees for this exam. For all the candidates, the fees is rupees 1500. For female candidates and SC, ST and persons with disability, the fees is rupees 750. All the details given in this video are taken from notification brochure of GATE Exam 2021. Any clarification can be referred in that file and the link for that file is given in the description. Hope this video was very useful to you. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos related to GATE exam. Thank you.